What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. So I'm back in the yard. This was left with this 89 Caprice. See if anyone touched it yet. Let's get it. So we back at the Caprice. Don't look like people touched too much. I came for that strip. It's actually plastic. I thought it was rubber. The plastic bumper strip. I want the trunk carpet. And I want the black strip on the back of the bumper. The top's still here. I checked out Sprayway's video on the quarter top, and you gotta do a lot of work. Like, you gotta take all this off, the back strip off. I don't know if this one has rivets, but if it has rivets, you gotta take that off. No one touched the window switch, look like. Might have to get that. The trim's still here. The arrows are here. Probably should take those off first. I got those lights yesterday. All the trim's still here. So yeah, we just gonna have a field day. Someone tore apart the steering column. Probably because they don't know how to take this thing out, which is pretty easy. But get the steering column, someone broke it. I took the radio, and then I realized I can open the door from the inside yesterday after the video. So I could do like a power window conversion in mine, because my 86 and my 77 is both manual windows. So I could just take, I can take the at least the switches in the motor, maybe the armrest, and then try and make it work with my current door panel. But everything is really nice in this thing. I really want these seats, but I'd have to dye them red or maroon to keep them, maybe black, because I really like the pillow tops. I wasn't really going for bench, but I guess it's like a 60-40 or 40-60 split. Okay, it does have the electric pop lock for the trunk. So it has the electric trunk lock on it. I didn't realize that. What's up, Don? Yeah, so I was just talking to my homie Don. He a parts puller. You see there's a 6 over there that he bought the pool. He said if I want it, I can have it. But you know me, I find 6s all the time too. I think he'll pull it for me for like 200. But I pull my own shit. But I might buy it from him. If he don't get it, I'll pull it myself. So he just came over and walked over here and checked it out, and he said he thinks the trunk was damaged by forklift, which probably makes sense when they're trying to move it. Forklift busted it out. So I mean, this is a nice car. For some reason this trunk paint is like way different, looks older than the rest of the car. So I don't know what's going on with that. But yeah, that's a nice color. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna take a lot more stuff than I intended. But definitely getting these the rubber and the carpet. I may take the Euro clip, and I may take the taillights, I don't know. So let's get it. I'm sitting at this 89 black Chevy Caprice Broham, and I'm getting a little tip on removing the little bumper plastic trim guards. So I got the front bumper just sitting up there, and then it's going to be the same process for the back bumper. So basically you're going to have 8 13mm bolts all along the back side of the bumper, and then you're going to have these little clips, and all you're going to have to do is squeeze on both sides and push it out, because your 13 is just going to go on here and you can break it loose. But anyway, let me break loose these bolts and then we'll get onto the clips. So I also started taking the I took the bumper off right at the very last piece. On the end it broke, so I'm not even going to worry about it anymore. I'm going to leave that. I started taking off the rocker trim, mainly for the clips. A couple clips there. And I showed you the technique in my video, how to get these off without breaking any of these clips. I'll link up a video up here. But yeah, I'm just getting some more of these clips because they're brittle and they break real easy. The technique I showed you in that video should end up just like this, with none of them are broken. And you see I got the rest of them over here. That passenger side, I can't open the door, so I'm not really concerned about taking the trim. If you want the trim, I got it down there already off for somebody. I may take the hinges, but it's like half off in a few days here at a pick and pull, so I might wait to get the hinges on half off. I don't know if I'm gonna get this Euro front clip. I'm gonna leave the bumpers. I have bumpers. I do want the carpet, and I got the front plastic guards, and I may take this one since it's in good condition. But yeah, the only thing else I like at this car is the seats. The seats and the hinges. That's pretty much it. I really don't need any more window trim, so I'll probably leave those. I do like this side piece. I do like the top, but after the rust issues in my 77, I'm not even gonna mess with it. So it's your boy Loco. I didn't get too much today. I just grabbed the carpet, and I didn't really need that Euro clip because I have like 2 or 3 at home, and it was about 99 degrees, so I'm just trying to get out of here. It's half off in a few days. Like I said, I'll come back and get those parts if no one's taking them. But as always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.